Official name, official sticker, Magnus. Hashtag Magnus on Instagram for all future pictures. Friends, thanks for clicking on my channel, Florida Outdoor Adventures. I appreciate all of you watching again. If you're new, please consider subscribing. In today's video, I want to introduce you to Magnus, my new to me motorcycle 2017 Yamaha Super Tenere. I'm heading over to Massimo's house, the man from Japan, the best mechanic Yamaha has ever seen. And we're going to install some goodies on the motorcycle, some GV racks for some hard luggage, some foldable levers for the clutch and for the brake, a ram ball, we're going to change the oil, seal savers, some new seal savers to protect the front forks. So yeah, stay tuned and let me show you the bike. And thanks for watching, everybody. I'll try to end the video once I set up my 360 mounting system here. Hopefully I can do that with some nice 360 footage of downtown Miami. So try to stay to the end if you can. You always have to have the right tools for the installation. Te presento a Magnus.
Good luck, Massimo. Ok. Bájate. ¿Tú sabes qué tiene esta moto? Esto tiene unas gomas aquí. Voilà.
Full team Yamaha present for the
My honor.
first oil change of Magnus. Yamalube only. Getting a lot of things done in about an hour. I think we've done everything. We've done the ram ball mount, the folding levers, GV side racks, GV top case rack. Now the oil. All we have left is the seal savers that are going to go here and the front LED light bar.
Va a rodar un poquito en el plástico, no problem, ¿no?
Well, you know me.
I just want to make sure.
I thought you
Entonces, Ya te digo, no hace falta que yo lo tengo aquí así, ya está.
Yama Lube. Thank you, Miguel, for the Yama Lube.
No, that's all right.
I have a few modelos waiting for you.
That's it.
While Massimo installs the LED light bar bracket, let me show you the new seal savers for the fork seals in gold. I'll be putting links below to all these items, and you can take a look at them for yourself. But these are really handy to protect here, right here, this fork seal. Very easy to install, even by yourself, with the zipper and the Velcro to hide it. That's it. Official name, official sticker, Magnus. Hashtag Magnus on Instagram for all future pictures. There's a story behind this name. Maybe one day I'll share it with everybody. But if you're interested in these custom stickers, I'm going to put a link in the video or down in the description of the person that made this for me. Really nice work with the two-tone colors and the right, more or less the right font down below.
4 veces Super Tenere.
Bam!
Tengo que pasarla por aquí. Y casi que no hace falta ni cable para conectarla, porque debe estar aquí. Sí. Azul y negro.
Ok, en la tapa de arriba plástica de Yamaha 2017, azul y negro.
Dile que
Apúntala con la cosa del pin.
Aquí, azul, positivo, negativo. Bajo llave para las luces.
I'll translate that in English. The blue and the black at the top harness, top fairing, or the top plastic piece.
That's it.
Okay, Massimo, moment of truth.
Okay.
Let's test. Keys on, no lights. Nice. Woo! Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the few accessories that I put on Magnus. I hope you liked them. The seal savers, the front LED, the ram ball, which I have the 360 on right now. And here is the downtown Miami Brickell Avenue 360 I promised you to end the video. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. The best statue on Brickell Avenue, right over there. That beautiful girl on a handstand with a huge Patagonian feet in the air. What a cool sculpture.